Hello, it's me.
Don't you worry about a thing now. It's gonna be alright.
Never change your mind about leaving me behind.
Top 5.
Yes, yes. Oh my God, I feel so proud. I mean, to be this young and achieve so much. This is just more motivation for me. And look out for me.
Good performance.
The winner of this year's Digicel Rising Stars competition is Dalton Harris.
I heard your favorite chord, that favorite note, and it pleased the Lord. You were the reason, yeah.
Use back your money and invest in your musical career and school, so that's where I am at now. Cause they always start to cry.
I feel good when she's wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Say! Feel good, feel good. I don't want to take on my job, I don't want my business.
What is your name?
My name is Dalton Harris.
And where are you from?
I flew here from Jamaica. I'm 24 years old, I'm from Jamaica, and I am a performer. That's what I do for a check. What am I gotta do to make you love me? What have I gotta do to make you care? Oh, you're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. Peekaboo. Come on, let it go. Into your own, all 'cause you won't listen.